there, Lori Steinfeld with the original wall stamp. I'm showing you a trick to the brick. Hey, that's a rhyme. See, I couldn't get my brick stamp to get up where this stove was, so I cut a piece of cardboard the same length as a brick and the width that I know will fit. After trial and error, the first time I cut it didn't work. So check this out. Now this cardboard is going to go right where, oh, my grout line is right there. So I have to follow the brick that's underneath. Because you still want the stamping effect. If I use a brush, it's going to have a brush stroke, and you still want it to look like the rest of the brick stamps. You might not see it standing here, but when you stand across the room, you'll see it. So then you're just going to take this and you're just going to eyeball it. You get your straight line. See my grout line? I'm looking for that. Getting this straight. It's moving a little bit, but I'm just going to do the best I can. Well, this is corrugated, what's it called? What is it? Cardboard, duh. So we're getting that look, but look, you can just mess with that with your finger a little bit to get rid of it, but you still want that brick look, the stamp look. So let's try that again. So I'm going to load up a little more paint, trying to get into this edge where my brick stamp would not fit. So I have this piece of cardboard that I am tucking up in here just to get the brick stamp effect. It's always these little tiny spaces that are annoying, and of course because that's cardboard. But you know what would work even better than cardboard is foam. If you have any artist foam lying around, you know, crafting foam. And look, you can just wipe out the grout line, make it nice and straight. And anytime you go over and you don't like something, you can fill it in with the background color. Okay, that's it.